Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to change sleep time in Windows so you can control when your laptop goes to sleep. This is useful if your laptop is sleeping too fast while you are working, watching videos, or downloading something important. So let's get started. First, open the search bar and type Control Panel. Now click on Control Panel. Once it opens, change the view to large icons so all options are easy to see. Now click on Power Options. Here you will see your current power plan. Click on Change Plan Settings next to Balanced. Now you will see two main options. Turn off the display. Put the computer to sleep. Both of these options will have two settings. On battery and plugged in. Now click on the time drop-down for each option. You can set the sleep time to whatever you want, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or even 1 hour. If you don't want your laptop to sleep automatically, you can also set it to never. After selecting your preferred time, click Save Changes. Now close everything. Your sleep time settings are now updated, and your Windows laptop will follow the new timing you selected. So this is how you can change sleep time in Windows in a very easy way. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.